ACS Mersin is the name of a glass factory in Mersin, Turkey. ACS stands for Anadolu Cam Sanayii. The factory is at 36 degrees 51 minutes 50 seconds north, 34 degrees 06 43 E in Yenitaşkent neighborhood to the north of the Turkish state highway which connects Mersin to Tarsus. Its distance to Mersin is about 13 kilometers. The factory was put into operation in 1969. In 1975, it was acquired by Şişecam Group of Companies. In 1988, NNPB technology was successfully used for the first time in Turkey at ACS. Current annual glass production is 260,822 metric tons. The number of employees is 461. But after the planned instauration, the annual production will rise to 366,685 metric tons and the number of employees will increase to 483.